half kneeling kettlebell mobilizations. Go ahead, grab onto your kettlebell, and I've got a little half bolster. You are welcome to use a yoga mat or a pillow if you need anything else for knee comfort. So you have the bolster on the ground. If you don't have a kettlebell, you can use dumbbells just the same. You could also use a jug of laundry detergent or something similar at home too. From here, kneel onto the bolster or whatever you've got with one leg. Your other foot will come forward and you've got the kettlebell or your weighted object directly in front of you. Now I'm going to pivot around so you can see. First, before you do anything, think about the rotation of your pelvis. You want to almost tuck your tailbone and you'll almost immediately feel that front thigh lengthen and a little bit of a stretch. Perfect. You want to maintain this posture with your hips the entire time instead of tilting or popping the booty out. So from here, we have the tailbone underneath, starting to feel that nice stretch in the front of the thigh. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, and you can start with your knee mostly forward and see how that feels. If that feels like a good stretch, you can stay there. Bring it back. You're also welcome to heel toe the knee out at about a 45-degree angle or anywhere in between. And then you move forward and back. It might feel good to even come further out wide and point the toes out. You want your knee to be in line with about the center of your foot as you lean off to the side and back. You'll notice as you position this foot differently, you will feel it differently. So as I go off to the side, I feel quite a bit on this inner thigh. When I have it angled at about a 45-degree angle, I feel some in that inner thigh, but a little more in this bottom quad or front of the thigh. And then if my foot is directly forward, then I'd certainly feel quite a bit more in this thigh here. You're also welcome to try and bring this foot a little further across the front and see how that might feel like a little more of a stretch in any posture or any of the muscles. And come back to center. You don't need to be too concerned with exactly holding the dumbbell or kettlebell. It can be helpful to have both hands on. Sometimes it can be helpful to have one hand on your hip too. It's all about whatever allows for the best stretch. And again, you should be feeling this in the muscles and a little bit less in the joints. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out.